Hello friends, this video on matter and magnetism part 26 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 25 before going ahead with part 26. The Curie law of magnetism. This is an important law which will help you to understand some of the topics further. So Curie law of magnetism states that the intensity of magnetization of a magnetic material is directly proportional to magnetic field and inversely proportional to temperature. So what is intensity of magnetization? Intensity of magnetization is nothing but magnetization itself. So intensity of magnetization we denote by M. It is directly proportional to the magnetic field, that is B, and inversely proportional to temperature, right? So that means M is directly proportional to B by T. Now we already know that previously we have proved that B is equal to mu H. That means B is directly proportional to H. What is H? H is nothing but magnetic intensity. So we can say that M is directly proportional to H by T. Or we can say that M by H is directly inversely proportional to temperature. What is M by H? Remember the definition for magnetic susceptibility. M by H is nothing but magnetic susceptibility. So we can write here chi M is inversely proportional to temperature. So this is how we define Curie's law. So if we want to represent it graphically, we can show it somewhat like this. Let us suppose here we have magnetization and here we have H by T. So the graph which we get looking at this would be somewhat like this. Right? So this is the Curie law of magnetism, which says that the magnetic susceptibility of a material decreases with increase in temperature. And we saw that logically also, right? In case of paramagnetism as well as ferromagnetism, I told you that what happens when we increase the temperature or when the substance gets heated. We see that in case of paramagnetism, as the temperature is increased, the substance gets demagnetized. That means the susceptibility is decreasing. Similarly, in case of ferromagnetic, the substance becomes paramagnetic. That means there also the susceptibility is decreasing, right? So as the temperature increases, the susceptibility decreases. Now, what happens with change of temperature in case of diamagnetic substance? Well, when I talk of diamagnetic substance, we saw that there is no temperature dependence at all. So in case of diamagnetic substance, the magnetic susceptibility will not change with temperature, because the diamagnetic substance, the motion of the atoms do not play any role as such, right? So there will be no effect due to change in temperature to diamagnetism. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.